We're trying to determine the effect of metaphors that we see in the border, a double sonnet. The first line says, the border is a line that birds cannot see. So I'm thinking birds are natural and they migrate naturally. And it says the border is a line that they cannot see. So perhaps the author is saying that borders are unnatural because birds can't see them. Next it says, the border is where flint first met steel, starting a century of fires. This metaphor reveals that the author believes that the border is a place of tension and violence. Because it says it's starting a century of fires, and we know that fires destroy things. Maybe instead of tension, I could say a place of destruction and violence. The next one says, the border is a belt that is too tight up, holding things up but making it hard to breathe. And I found this image here to represent that, a too tight belt. So I'm thinking the border, this metaphor shows that the border is a place that is, the word I'm looking for is confining. And confining is a word that means it's restrictive. Like it holds things too much in a way that is unnatural and robs people of their freedom.